Welcome to Biz.io. In this video, to access the Deals module, click on Sales in the left-hand sidebar, then select Deals. This section helps you monitor and manage all your sales opportunities. You can switch views using these three tabs to display only active, future, or junk deals, depending on your workflow. Next, select the pipeline where you can define the deals by its stage. Use the search bar to quickly locate deals by name, contact details, pipeline stage, agent, or duration. Use the filters panel to narrow down deals by deal value, duration, owner, source, or category, making it easier to manage high priority opportunities. To add a new deal, click on Add Deal. Start by selecting the lead and entering the deal name, pipeline, stage, deal value, and close date. Then, fill in any other relevant information and save. Once saved, your deal will be visible in the table below, where you can monitor the deal's progress and take actions like view, edit, add note, delete, and follow up date. From here you can export the deals in Excel and PDF. And that's how you manage your sales deals in Biz.io, from tracking follow-ups to closing more opportunities, all in one place. To get started, click on Settings from the sidebar. Now scroll down and select Finance Settings from the list. Under the Finance Settings panel, the first tab is Invoice Settings. Here you can upload your company's invoice logo and authorize signatory. Specify how many days after the invoice date it's due, and set reminders accordingly. Enable or disable invoice details like tax number, status, and additional client information like email, phone number, and address. Once done, click Save to save the details. Next is the Invoice Template tab. Customize the layout and format of your invoice template here to match your branding. Once done, click Save to save the template. In the Prefix Settings tab, define unique prefixes for your invoices, estimates, or other financial documents. Set the prefix, separator hash, and digit count to see a sample on the right. Repeat for all, then click Save to apply. To add a unit, click the Unit tab at the top, then click Add Unit. Enter the unit type and click Save to save it. From Action button you can edit the unit. If you're using QuickBooks, go to QuickBooks Settings. It supports one-way sync. Invoices or payments created here will also be created in QuickBooks. Click Status, select the environment, enter your client ID and client secret, or copy the QuickBooks URL. Click Save to apply the changes. Under Tax Numbers, enter the tax type, label, and value. You can add multiple tax number tabs. Once done, click Save to apply the changes. To add a new payment method, click on the Add Payment Method button. In the form, enter the payment method name, bank account details, and then add a label and value. You can add multiple labels and values as needed to capture all necessary payment details. Once all required information is entered, click the Save button to store the payment method successfully. You can edit or delete any payment method by clicking the Edit or Delete icons next to the respective entry.